All that 223, you hit him. One shot, I won't miss him.
Hello, traders. First, I like to just talk about the book. The book I got at Walmart. It's has line. It doesn't have lines. It has dots, as you can see. The reason why I picked these is because it's probably easier to graph, since you could just connect the dots while you're graphing. Just how easy that looks. So you could just look at the chart and journal like that. If you want to go in depth with it, you can write the price of it. But I don't do too crazy. I just do the market structure, and the days that I do write ups, I do like once every 2 weeks. So I did it second last time. Second last time I did it was Wednesday 23rd of April 2025. And the last time I did it was Sunday 4th of May of 2025. Then I just put the dates. As you can see. And that's how I journal for graphing. I trade GPUSD, Bitcoin in Europe, and Japanese yen. Those are my three main currencies, and I really enjoy it. You could write in your journal, do English, you could do anything. It's your journal. Also do
Kaizen is a Japanese philosophy and management strategy that focuses on continuous improvement in all aspects of an organization, involving all employees at all levels. IT translates to good change or improvement and emphasizes small, incremental changes to achieve significant long-term results.
guide that Japan uses for businesses, but I'll discuss that in a later on video because it's 7 steps, and I don't want to take up a whole day talking about it. But I did mention it, so you can search it up. It's called
Kaizen.
And you could talk to Chat GPT to implement whatever you're trying to do. That's what I did, and Chat GPT is my best friend. Like, it helps you a lot. Answers any type of questions. Make sure you just ask the right question though. Don't ask a weird question. Then you might get the same response. This book I got at Walmart. It's like $5. It has like 240 pages. It even has a pocket. I also do this thing where I do a signature every week. So I originally started doing signatures of February 10th of 2025, and every week I'll do a signature saying that I follow rules, I did not blow count or anything. And I say I failed 3 times out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. So 7 weeks. But out of 10 weeks, I only failed 3 times. So I won 7 weeks. But the past 4 weeks, this past month, I've just been on a roll. This honestly my best month of all year. Let's get straight to it. I know we're on my editing screen, but let's get back on the chart. So this week of May 4th of 2025, as you can see right here, it was going a lower time frame. That was a 4 hour. I usually like to break it down from the week, from the day. Right now, just look at the day from the 4th. See what we're looking at from that time. So yeah, the 5th of May. That's on a Monday. And we're looking at this candle right here. You can see that those are rejecting off these lows. You see price from the left side of 5th of May. You can see price just like rejecting that area so much that it'll go down, then go right back up, then go down, then shoot right back up. So as you see, Thursday, the 1st of May and the 2nd of May, you see price was just either moving up and down, consolidating that area. And Monday came in, and I seen that price was rejecting off these lows. So it did like a double bottom, So if I go to the 4 hour, that's a daily. We're looking at the 5th of May. I just want to look at it. So the 5th of May. You see, like it did like a double bottom right here. New York session opened. 6 hour candle. It just went down. Boom. And you can see it started rejecting off there, then shot up, then went back down, then shot up. So we could look at it from the 15-minute for this area. Keeps on taking me back. I don't know why. Oh, let's get there. And you can see price just wanted to go down. You can see I took these two losses. I risked 10 points, 10 pips, right? So I lost 20 pips in total. Then I was going against a trend, bro. Like, honestly, if you look at my Instagram page or TikTok page, you can see my clip, a live video. But right here, obviously you see it's a downtrend, just a downtrend. And bro, and the US dollar news, it was I forgot the news name. Hold on, let me grab it real quick. So the 25th, no, the 5th of May, it was the ISM service PMI actual was 51.6 today. So the US dollar was good that day. The news was positive, so there was nothing but good stuff coming out from the dollar. That's why GPUSD tanked to the downside. But I was buying because China is telling other countries to invest their money into Europe, Japanese, or British pound. So they're not into dollars right now because, you know, what's going on with China and the United States. A lot of trade wars going on. So people are moving their money so they continue making money because they can't stop making money. They need money, money, and money. So they're moving their money around. And that's why you see GPUSD on a nice uptrend. So I was like, oh, there was just news or information from news saying that China is still want to have safe havens with other currencies besides the dollar, so the dollar's gonna be weak. But the dollar news came out positive. The ISM service PMI actual was 51.6. Came out positive. So that made the dollar stronger. I believe we reached $1 that day. But it does that. It's gonna reach, prices are always gonna move up and down. It could be strong at a moment, then later of the day be weak. Or it could be strong, it could be weak in the morning, then be strong later in the day, you know? It could be opposite. But at this moment I was just losing. And obviously I did see the trend, I did. But bro, it was like, really? I really thought like it was gonna take off from right here, like and do like a double bottom or reject off this area, but no, that didn't happen at all. It went all the way down to this resistance right here, this blue price action I have, and it just went all the way down. So all right, when that happened, it was like 10 o'clock, and I seen this. I got in right here again. I'm only supposed to be taking 2 trades a day, but then I did see that price level rejecting off this area. As you can look on the left side, if you look at the 15-minute, how many times did it reject off this area? I mean, realistically, how many times did it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So many times, right? So I just had that in my head, like, okay, we're not gonna keep going down, bro. Like, there's no way in hell we're going down. So price did bounce up, boom, consolidated, then shot down. To remind you, I was holding this. I wasn't scalping it because I was swing trading. I usually scalp. I'll go for 1-for-1s, 1-for-2s. But I was so confident in the setup where like I was like, bro, if I lose, wow, that'd be crazy. If I might get stopped out, then go my way. Almost did that. So that's why I always risk like 10 pips, but I had to risk realistically like 23, 25 pips because it went down to almost 20 pips. It was at 19 pips to where it went down to. Then shot the hell up. Like you can see, it just shot up. Then right here, got out at 48 pips. So I lost 20 pips and made back almost 30 pips. It's 28 pips extra that I made. Imagine I would have held it, but the reason why I held it, I just don't want to hold the trade. Like, oh, even though as much confidence I was, I did miss out on a big move. Missed out like on an extra 57. Missed out on an extra 62 pip move out. That would have been crazy, bro. That would have been a nice banger. So I need to start getting comfortable swinging it, like for real, like that confidence I have to hold it for 50. If I'm not having much confidence to hold it, see the full potential, because I did see full potential. I had my take profit higher, but I seen price rejecting. And I got scared. I'm like, yeah, I don't want to be in this consolidation or nothing. I just wanted to get out. I was happy with my 28 pips, you know, because I originally scalped, so I'm not really comfortable holding it for days now. But I did get better. I need to get better at that, especially when I'm feeling confident, so I could feel accomplished about it instead of feeling down like, dang, I missed out. But that's good that I won the trade. That was a good day. So I'm already up. Then we're gonna move to. I traded the next morning. I was like, I don't care, bro. Like that's Monday. Today's a new day. See the time I trade. Like I was sitting on my hands. Like, bro, look how late the setup was. 9:15. You can see that price just went down there in New York. When it opened, 6:30, New York open, shot up, went down, shot down. Then for some reason at 9 o'clock, you see price starting to reject off this area. And in my head, I'm like, bro, buys look good for a scalp right here. Best believe I got in. I got in right here. Look, let me see. Got in right here. See these two candles? Then this one, that doji, the star. I was like, boom, let me get in there. Even did a double bottom. If I would have missed that setup, I would definitely caught that setup right there. I would have went up. You know? So that was a good setup. Then my window for New York session is 5 a.m. Pacific time to 10. 5 a.m. Yeah, 5 a.m. Pacific time to 10 a.m. Pacific time. My window's 5 hours, and I don't get inside trades when news is happening. I wait usually 15 minutes depending on how markets are looking like. So you'll see that a lot on my setups. And we can go to the next day. See, this one though was nice, bro. See, from 5 o'clock it would move up and down. It did like it did the highs, but it did like a double top to the downside from 7 o'clock. Boom, boom, boom. Then we just see that whole hour candle just going down, right? Imagine seeing the whole hour candle just going down. And we're looking at it like, okay, how's it looking like? Because we could look at the 1 hour right here, right? You could be like, all right, it's gonna go down. Because the 1 hour candle, the 1 hour is looking like this. I'm like, dang, is it gonna go back up? Can I shoot back up? But we can see this 1 hour just like, dang, it's like sellers took over. Buyers don't want to continue to break the upside. So we just rejected off the highs and started making trend to the downside. If you look at the 2 hour, I bet we look at the same thing. So the 2 hour was really that gave it away. I'm just like, dang, that 2 hour looking. Sellers look aggressive on that 2 hour. Just then, bro, and just sunk down on a 2 hour, like dish smaller shit. On some Drake shit. Drake candle shit. Like I was piping her fucking sister. Not just playing, but look. Ah, shit. Without the honey pack. But yeah, the 5 minute time frame, right? You can just see. Just look at the trend, bro. It's like higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low. I seen this. Boom, broke the low. It didn't really break the lower low, but it was going to with that strong candle. We trace it up, then shot down. Boom. Right. Oh, what a setup. 1-1. How much am I up? 30, 40. It's 40 points, and I lost what? 20 points? It's crazy, bro. But yeah, right now at this moment, I was I won 1, 2, 3 for 2, 3 for 2 for the week.